Here's how to check your SIM card number on your iPhone. Now let's first just head into the settings. When you're in the settings of your iPhone, you'll be able to see under Bluetooth is cellular. Let's just tap on that. And if you scroll down a little bit, here is your SIM card. Now it has some information like your SIM PIN. You can tap on that and turn on a SIM PIN number. But if you wanted the ICCID, the number that identifies that SIM card, it'll be in a different place. So let's go back out here. And instead, let's tap on General. And then at the very top, let's choose About. You can see information about your phone, but if you scroll down from here, you can see information about your eSIM. In my case, I have AT&T, and you'll be able to see here is ICCID. This really long number right here is the number associated with my SIM card. If you have a physical SIM card, you can pop it out, and that number will be printed on the physical SIM card. However, if you're looking for the phone number associated with that SIM card, it's in a different spot. Let's go back to the very beginning of your settings. And from here, let's scroll down to the bottom and tap on Apps. And now from here, let's just scroll down until we get to the section that says Phone. There it is. Tap on Phone. And now you can see here is my number. Just tap on that, and that is the phone number associated with your SIM card. Whenever somebody calls you, that is the phone number that rings to your iPhone.